when people don't trust each other, pag walang tiwala ang tao sa isa't isa, it leads to fear of conflict. Okay? Sa Pilipinas, mas pronounce ito, mas matindi ito, no? So ano ang mga signs that people are afraid of conflict? Okay? Walang honest discussion. People stay silent to keep the peace. During meeting, yung leader lang ang nagsasalita, walang nagtatanong, walang nagsasuggest. Pag tinanong ng leader, is everything clear? Ang sagot, yes. If the leader said, can we do this? Yes. Or do you have any question? None. Paglabas ng leader, ang sabi ng mga tao, ano daw? Ewan ko, hindi yun mag-work. So yan, nangyayari yan. If the conversation is not honest, is not open, that means people are afraid of conflict. When people don't communicate openly, what happens? Nangyayari yung pangatlong dysfunction, wherein team members are unclear on direction and hesitant to fully buy in. So kung hindi mo kayang magtanong, hindi mo kayang magsabi ng totoo, hindi mo kayang sabihin na hindi ka agree sa strategy, how can you be committed to it? Right?